Have you thought about how your company can leverage mobile marketing to increase sales? When the sky is the limit and the opportunities seem endless, it can be difficult to develop an initial strategy. Reading blog posts and reaching out to thought leaders is a good way to gain knowledge. But how would you use that knowledge to craft a killer mobile strategy? Learning by example can help you get started. Ikea Catalog App. In the year 2010, Ikea launched a free application integrated with their newest product catalog. The application had two main features. One feature helped users identify their own unique style by completing a series of tests. The other created an augmented reality that allowed customers to use their mobile phones to see how furniture would look in their homes. Users could download a picture of the product and then use their phone's camera feature to create a virtual 3D image of how that piece of furniture would look in a certain area of the room. For all the planners out there, it made purchasing furniture less of a headache. They could see how the colors matched and could even make sure the dimensions were appropriate before stepping into the store. No more eyeballing necessary. For IKEA, the goal of the app was to inspire creativity and to stimulate customer interest in home furnishing. They also wanted to make the buying process easier and to encourage customers to engage with their catalog throughout the year, not just during the first few days they received it. Use mobile to make the act of buying easier. Answer customers' questions before they even ask. Don't focus solely on generating sales. If you can interest and inspire customers first, the sales are likely to follow. Stimulate prolonged interest for your other marketing initiatives. Thank you for watching.